Gonna start up the stove, might as well watch that. Got a VADV. It's a portable off Amazon, and I really like it. I think it's awesome. Carrying case is fine. It's got legs and a broader base than most, and a windshield built in. It's a unit that sits on its own, not on top of the gas, and I like that too. So we have that. Got my nice little snow peak set. It's got the fry pan for the lid. Store the gas inside. Don't really plan on using the fry pan. Just have to clean it then. And I'll use rags inside to keep the gas from scratching the crap out of it. It seems like it's non-stick, so I don't want to scratch that all up. Pretty nice little unit though. It's good on the VADV. Gas, don't buy on Amazon, buy at Walmart. I never owned a decent little stove, and not that this one is like super high end, but it'll always leak a little gas on the way on. Anyway, there you have it. Pretty cool little deal. I'll get boiling some water, and then I'll have myself some nice Java. Summit Brewing. Okay, let's see if we can start the fire. No accelerant here, just stuff found in the woods, primary being pine cone needles and pine cones. Let's see if that does it. I think it will. Give it a little more. I think we're done. Yeah. We done. Gonna burn the fire down a little bit. Make some coals, just like charcoal, but natural. Then I'm gonna cut the kielbasa, put it on a stick, and then roast it over the fire for a while. Then I'm gonna put it in the pot with the beans and let that simmer and pick up the smoky flavor from the kielbasa. Then eat. Yeah, it's getting time to cook. Look at the fire now, it's all burnt down, but it's still flaming up. It's not ready to cook on. You want the coals to look like regular charcoal, where it's just red and no flame, and kind of a charred, or not charred over, but all the coals would be white, all the sticks would be white as well. Just wait. It doesn't take much to cook your food, it doesn't take long. Just wait. We can wait another 15-20 minutes for this to cool down, and then we just have this golden fire ready to cook. Should be good. Well, here's dinner. I've got a secret family recipe, an onion, and I got a ring bologna from Home and Locker. Home and Locker is pretty close here. What I remember of Holman is they got flooded out, and a lot of people lost their houses, and if I'm right, I'm not sure, I haven't done research to collaborate this deal, but I'm pretty sure that Holman got destroyed by floods. And my old roommate was from there, Chris. Chris is a beautiful person. But yeah, what I'm gonna do here is take the bologna out of the package, and I was kind of torn whether I keep the skin on or skin off, and this is kind of a decision too by a lot of parents, you know, do you keep the skin on or the skin off? And you know, maybe it's a sanitary thing, maybe not, I don't know. It's kind of, or could be a religious thing with the skin on or skin off thing, but you know, you parents do what you need to do. But I think I'm gonna keep the skin on this bologna, and from Home and Locker and Meat Market, with a package on May 17th, 2017, which is only a few days ago, and well, a couple weeks, so it's got a little time to cure. We're gonna be eating large, and I'm gonna put this on the stick and hang it over the fire with the skin on. Now we're talking skin on, hanging over the fire on a green branch so it doesn't burn so quick. Charcoal underneath, safe as can be. Looks like my big toe. Notice how the one snake is biting the ass of the other snake. Am I the only one that sees this? So I got the stove lit, kielbasa in the pan with the beans in the bottom and the onions on top of that. Ideally, I guess I would have put the onions in the bottom, then the beans, then the kielbasa. But this is what we got. We'll see how it turns out. I put the stove on low, real low. So we're gonna see what happens. Here we are at camp, dinner, and just us.